use our second model, which was our if else condition. Okay, so I'm taking another model. Okay, I'm browsing library for a Stateflow block. Okay, and here is our Stateflow chart library, and you can see this is our Stateflow SOC block Stateflow, and this is chart. Okay, I'm dragging this to our new model. Okay, and double clicking this chart, and you'll find this blank Stateflow canvas. Okay, and for if else condition, I'm right clicking my mouse and add pattern in chart. Okay, and under decision, this is our second pattern, if else condition. Okay, and I'm taking description like temperature control. Okay, and if condition, when temperature is below 20. Okay, and our if action will be heater is turned on. Okay, and else condition, when temperature is not below 20 and we want to turn on our cooler. Okay, so cooler will be turned on. Okay, so now click OK. It will create our Stateflow model. Okay, now you can see yeah, our Stateflow model is created. And when temperature is below 20, our heater will be turned on, and else our cooler will be turned on. Okay, and we have to go, we have to go modeling and symbol panel to resolve the undefined symbol. Okay, modeling and symbol panel, and okay, the the automatic symbol panel takes the temperature as input and cooler and heater is as output. Okay, so it's okay. I'm resolving my um, symbol here. So I'm going back to my Simulink model again, and similarly I will take a stair generator block to take input of temperature. Okay, so this is stair generator block, which is present under electrical specialized power system. Okay, and I'm connecting this here, and similarly I need a scope. Okay, now our scope input will be 3. Okay, I'm setting input port as 3, and this is our layout. Okay, click OK, and I'm closing scope window, and okay, so this is our cooler. Okay, this is our cooler output, and this is our heater output, and our input will be temperature. Okay, okay, and we have to give our input here. I'm taking input 0 1 2 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and our stair generator amplitude will be like 10 20 30 40 18 and 15. Okay, now click OK. So we are all set, and under simulation stop time of 5 is here, and I'm running this model. Okay, it's run, and I'm opening the scope. Okay, I'm changing the line width of all the scope. Okay, to clear display, and I'm setting is 2, and second cooler it will be 2, and I'm setting it as red, and our 3, and it is our heater, so I'm setting it as green. Okay, now click OK. Here you can see our heater is always turned on. Okay, so we have to do some modification here inside our code, and then I'm taking when temperature is less than 20, our heater will be turned on. Okay, but our cooler will be turned off. Okay, and similarly when temperature is less than 20, our cooler will be cooler will be turned on, but heater will be turned off. Okay, so I think it will solve our problem. Okay, now go back to Simulink again. I'm I'm running this model. Okay, now you can see when temperature is below 20. Okay, when temperature is below 20, our heater is turned on, and when temperature is above 20, as you can see here, our heater is turned off but our cooler is turned on. Okay, and you can see our cooler is turned on. When again our temperature is below 20, our heater is turned on. Okay, that's the way you can use our if and else condition in Stateflow Simulink. Okay.